Hey guys, it's me Kriti back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to play Among Us but letting it pick our makeup look. You might be wondering what the heck does Among Us is gonna do with the makeup, so let me tell you in a minute. But for those who doesn't know what is Among Us is, let me give you a quick backstory. So it's a very popular game right now and literally everybody is playing this game. Basically there is a group of people and one person is murderer and tries to kill everybody, but the rest of the group have to figure out who is the killer before they all die. And I love stuff like that. So we are going to play Among Us, and whatever the first color character dies, I have to use that color in my makeup look. So like if pink dies, so I have to figure out what I wanna do with the pink. Like I can use pink eyeshadow, I can use pink blush, I can use pink lipstick, so you get the idea. So this will gonna be a very good makeup challenge because there is every single color of rainbow present in Among Us character, and getting in them random and deciding my makeup, it's a hard thing. To end up a very colorful look and it can go down very quickly. So I have already done my foundation, concealer and brows because obvious reasons, and rest of the makeup will be decided by Among Us characters. So without any further delay, let's get started. In a game right now, so let's go to the online, public, and then select from any 3 or 4th, but I usually love to select from 4th because it's easy to get inside, and I'm inside. So yeah, wait for people to join in. So it's starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So what I am a crewmate. So we're having 2 imposters in it, and let's go. So let's see who is going to die first. So let me go to the reactor room and do my task. Okay, so we are 3 here, and I guess though if there is someone imposter nearby me, I think suspicious. Red is acting very suspicious and I'm thinking that he is gonna down me out. But let's see. Okay, so he is fake tasking. Okay, so yeah, I did my I died. Okay, so I'm leaving this game because we have got the brown color. Happy right now because I want to die first because I got the brown color, and brown color is basic color and I can do so much with that. But I don't want to play a safe game because we are playing this game for our entertainment and for your entertainment. So why do I have to do some things? So I am taking Wet n Wild bronzer and I'm gonna bronze my face. To take this angled brush and I'm going to take this bronzer because it's so pigmented, you guys can see. I'm going to tap it out and just place it right here, and you can see a good difference. So far I'm loving this game because it's an enjoyment playing with you guys, and you guys can see each and everything. Let's see. I just want to be an imposter. I'm a crewmate. Everybody wants to be an imposter. So let me see who can die first. I think that these blue and green are the imposter because they are just standing, but I cannot blame them because, okay, dead body. So the pink dies first. So pink and black dies first. So I am thinking I can do the black with my eyeshadow and pink with blush. To take this That's So Me palette from Cups and Lashes, link will be in description, and I'm going to take this black shade from this and I'm going to pop it out on my outer V. So yeah, let's do it. So far because I'm loving the eyeshadow with the black, and let's see what we are going to get next. But before that, we have to complete the pink color. I'm taking the Maybelline blush palette, and it's a master blush palette, color and highlight kit, assemble, contour and luxure. So I have 3 options of pinks, but what the Among Us character has the pink, it is this. Looks like that. So I'm taking this shade and I'm gonna pop it out on the blush and the apple of my cheeks. I am taking a good amount of pink. I just want to hold everything. I am again a crewmate. I want to be an imposter, dude. So let's see who is dying first, but let me do my task. I like this. I kind of find this boring, because this electrical one boring, because you just have to join these. I don't like that. Okay, dude. I guess though, I cannot do this one, so I'm going to do another one task. Why is not someone is dying? Okay, so I am going to the navigation room. So passing it out, and okay, Orange killed me, and I know that he was doing a fake task. Okay. So again I'm taking the Cuffs and Lashes palette, and from that I'm going to choose this brown shade for my lower lash line. So I am again a crewmate, and I just want to get dyed because I have the color white. So I'm just going to stay here and wait for someone to kill me, or let's go. I think that Green is an imposter because he is following me very pretty. Yeah, I died. Let's go. Let's go. Died. Let's go.
What? What the fuck?
First the white died and the second the blue died. So I have concealed my eyelid properly, and I am taking this blue shade. For the white shade, and this looks pretty white because it's look little rose gold in the camera, but it's very whitishy. So I am going to do it for highlighter. So I am just going to pop it out. Now I am taking the Maybelline eyeliner and I'm going to pop it out on my eyes. Sugar Coal of Honor, and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. So now I'll be going to pop out the lashes from the Nika, and it is just enough drama. So as you guys can see, I have popped out the lashes, and now I'm going to apply a mascara because we got the black. So yeah. So I am crewmate right now. So let's see what color is going to dye first. So firstly I'm gonna do my mission. So let's see who dyes first. Okay, so I am going to... Okay, so the orange dyed first. So, okay, orange and red dyed. Take the Faces Canada Coral Magic Red Lipstick, and now lip balm in the orange shade, and this shade is called Mango Margarita. So this look is looking so good so far, and I'm loving this look. As you guys can see, We have black, blue, pink, everything is going on, and I am so happy with the challenge, and you can see the outcome of this challenge. So yeah, that's it for this challenge. And yes, if you have seen my face for the first time, so hey, it's me Kriti. I create content on beauty, fashion and skincare, and if you wish to see more content from me, so you can just subscribe it out. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, so please hit the like button, please subscribe to my channel, and do let me know your thoughts in the comment section box. And yeah, till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. I love you guys so much. Bye bye.